last cut. Last cut is the most important. They have to make sure that they've got somebody in place to hold that roof. So they can come forward. So we always see the middle post as the last cut to make. As soon as the cut is made, they'll lift the roof off and carry it out of the way.
Right, the last cut has been made, or is being made on the middle post, and as you can see there are firemen all around supporting the roof so it doesn't cave over the occupiers' heads in the car. So currently the last cuts being made at the end. There are 2 firemen on the near side and 3 on the far side currently assisting with holding the roof so it can be safely removed, and then the paramedics I guess will go to work on the occupiers of the car. Right, the roof is coming off. The commander is instructing them which way to take the roof off. They've come into a little bit more technical difficulty, I think. These are real life scenarios, so these are the obstructions they'll come across when they attend a road traffic accidents. Crowd there.
So that's got the roof off, that's created a nice load of space for us. Now if they need to come out in a hurry, not too much of a problem. Now they're going to reassess their plan. I'll go and find out what their plan is now.
Now the roof has been removed. Paramedics can act.
Okay, now that the paramedics been able to get right in there, he's assessed that the 2 on the other side can just walk out, but the driver has got spinal injury. He's going to have to come out on a spinal board. Unfortunately, there isn't an ambulance here. We haven't got a spinal board, so we have to improvise our equipment, find a way to bring them out of the car that's going to keep their back nice and safe. To do that, we're going to use a ladder, one of our little ladders, and use that as an improvised stretcher.
Right, as you heard there, sorry I didn't want to interrupt
We're covering up all the sharp objects there, all those cuts, all those sharp edges.
Right, so if I just recap the roof sound, the paramedics has now made their evacuation with the passengers. The 2 passengers are free to go. They got no injuries, and the driver has got some serious injuries, and he'll have to be taken out on a spinal board. As the Andy mentioned, that the ambulance that turned up hasn't got a spinal board, so the firemen are having to make do with what they have. So with the ladder there, they're trying to
If he needs
do
to,
a
the
makeshift.
commander has got other options available to him. We can cut the doors off, we can push the middle of the car right up, all sorts of different ways of looking at your space. It could be that the driver's legs are trapped in there. In a shunt like that, the pedals can come back and the legs can get trapped in the pedals. So we'll have to do something like that.
Right, and he's explaining there that the paramedics didn't want the doors or any further parts of the car to be cut off. But should they have required those, then the car could have cut in.
The key thing with what they're doing now is keeping that casualty's back nice and straight. We don't want to worsen his injuries.
Right, so as you can see, the makeshift spinal board, which is one of the ladders that the fire crew carry with them, and the passenger, sorry, not the passenger, the driver, is being now carefully, with the assistance of the paramedic and the fireman, moved over to the final ward.